to do it. We've run out of excuses for the state of our continent. We have the manpower. We should have the political will. It is time to make Africa work. We have good reason to be proud of who we are and the beautiful continent that is ours with its vibrant cultures. The geographic space covered by Africa makes it the second largest of the 7 continents. It has 30% of the world's remaining minerals of value. It has some of the most breathtaking scenes on our planet. It has plants and animals that are wonders of the world and critical for the survival of the globe. I hear a lot about the need to change our narrative and tell our own good story. Ladies and gentlemen, as the saying goes, nothing succeeds like success. If we work at it, if we stop being beggars and spend Africa's monies inside the continent, Africa would not need to ask for respect from anyone. We would get the respect we deserve.
Obviously, Yamamo Ache Amamo Akwaba Ghana Fapim Jumedi Efiti Samre Ekusise Eye non kono bebo yetenase isi Ghana honkunya ye dwendwene Ghana ho na ene eye June bosome ne da etoso eye dunso memenda anopa bia na Ghana Fapim Jumedi ye de ebremo Jumedi eye brutal bright entry na asese na wakekesi ni na me na Yaw Boamah Libya Borga me di ho chia me anope ma me fa seda ema buffalo ono ene de ko TV ne so na ode yakoye social media ye platforms ahodo ni nyina so na mrante ne mabawa womo ewo SOMPA FM ene SOMPA TV newsroom nyina eta mechi ya ba bia wo bia na yetimi aba na ya ba besom wo anope so ho mre na kasima bedu na nonson abo eni abujafo bisi Ghana ho enkonya na yadwendwene Ghana ho obatimi de wadwenche no nsusu aba be kan ho ojwane yen ewo social media yen platforms awodo ni nyina so a wo de wadwenche no nsusu ye ba yeguso a yedi dwuma no ye be kenkan edi ama oko Facebook ha ye SOMPA 93.1 FM Facebook SOMPA 93.1 FM and YouTube SOMPA TV Ghana SOMPA TV Ghana wo de wadwenche no nsusu ye no mo toto wono mo a iguso edi dwuma no adwene ni baakufo tirim baakufo nkyere damfo ye bekenkan ede ama obetime de WhatsApp message na say text message so aba am ya kenkan ede ama obetime de afa 0243 220044 0243 220044 so am ya kenkan ede ama anopei me say ya tenase Ghana ni eba be dwendwene ho Ghana ni eba be fa ho adwene Ghana ni eba be toato adwene se beye na ye man no ebe konanim na ne mfefo a wo mo edi nanim kan no so wantima ntoa wonum no wansa wo mo ho kra no a at least so hu gap no ye betimi aklosi kakra ye nuanom a wo mo wiase afa na nyina wo mo hweyen na mo sa so tie ya no pei ye mo nyina che enim se tweri ampo nyankrompa da menti no obibia ho ye nua George Agimandua ene Ghana fo a omo ewo Guinea abonten so Ghana mrante ne mabawa yeso omo ye adwuma mining company kese bi mu ewo eye Guinea anopa bia agese otwedi ampo no amade anchien so musi SOMPA TV ene SOMPA FM ho ani anopa magimadi se George unu nuanom mo ho ye pa ewo Guinea abonten so sa so ena ye nua obo wo Switzerland ne ye nuanom Ghana fo a wo Switzerland nyina yenim sa no peso so no mo ho ye na bibia eboko na me nua eye Boamah so ewo eye also Rotterdam na yes omo nyina so no ogide wa rehye se omo eho ya no pei na hima sapon na magima di se oho ya no pei nyame onkam nyina mo ho na onkrakra bi man so tena ya ne nafom but ahweyi ena ehia ahweyi ena ehia pa ena minua Renos ejeyi ebo asoso no ewo Greece chese gara de tokura bia mi yangrofo Greece ena ono soso ehye anopei ejeyi magima di se oho ya anopei wa mama te wonkan de na je se oho ya anesa anopei atena se ye chewiase nyina na yenhyase yi na enin komo ne nante anopei
Ye betu mi biara Ye fambuwa ye mandana Ansana yako Ansana ye tie SOMPA Nanu Omo ye biko Enyanwe Edrumi Nusu Yansu Seye beyebi Diatu asu
Abusia ya trase America ka kyerɛw sɛ yesi Ghana ho nkonya anɔpɛyi na ya dwendwene Ghana ho na wɔtwi ya mobɔ nsɛm no so kakra na fe yɛnkɔ anim na mema abujafo akwaba na ɛnɛ anɔpɛyi ya trase no ɛyɛ NPP amanyuku no mama no twa sɛ ɔma bie mato ɔnom na no ɔma kɔfa nkrata nyina ɛpɛ president adie ɛwɔ NPP amanyuku no mu no wɔma abie mato ɔnom sɛ bɛɛ na wɔtwe mienu a ɛwɔ yɛ nim no obia emfa emra no me filing the nomination na ahyase ni odi kan yewura alankojo chirematen kan soafo a no hwe mfiri nyuma ene dwadie so wɔkɔe na enra Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Boamah Vice President Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Boamah ekɔe ene ne nkrata kɔma mpanimfo ɛwɔ ɛyɛ NPP amanyuku na tena yɛ kɛse na enra ne se woni nsɛsɛ yɛ ka kyerɛ wɔ ɛwɔ NPP headquarters ya ɛwɔ enkrai pumpune mantam I salam down na nyasem keto akra ɛdɔm agi twi ekoka Vice President ho ema ne filing the nominations no na enyasem keto na yentie no wo se ebre mu odin okode ma party no wo opposition nyina no okon o defend party no so ba abemu no oguso eko e defend party no it is na kunya to ewu kuo ni mu a na wo yiri ti so wo ba be prebia na wo sefata so wo ba no be pra kunya ni bi.
Before era as Deputy Governor of the Bank of Ghana, through our years in opposition and now in government, during this period, I have sacrificed for the party. I have defended the party in good times and in challenging times. I have never wavered or slacked, never. And I have built a solid track record of achievement and performance as Vice President of the Republic of Ghana. And in all this, I have shown unflinching loyalty to our party and government, rain or shine. My dear friends, I have a compelling vision for Ghana's future.
Ye betu mi biara Ye fambuwa ye mandana Ansana yako Nanu Omo ye biko Enyanwe Edrumi Nusu Yansu Seye beyebi Diatu asu
Enti we ya Vice President Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Boamah ne yetene kan we ya mra oko party na tena ye kese na ode ne nkrata ekoma eye party no empenimfo na chese we akire se papa no se de ekoye yesi obeba wo ma no ekoma tene ama wa file the nominations enra edom emu CEOs emu ministers emu deputy CEOs emu members of parliament chese obibia DCs ene mayor sunum awomoji chi ekota Vice President Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Boamah echi ema ne filing the nomination no na enye asem ketwa Evans Nimako director of Elections said ma NPP amanyuku no one so at in same say eto domonim.
The party has opened up niche. The party is aware some interested parties are consulting the party rank and file, and so we are measuring them based on the party's constitution as well as the rules and regulations set out by the National Council. What we are saying is that for those who do not have direct role in the conduct of the elections, nothing bars them from supporting any candidate, any prospective candidate. They become candidates when they've been passed by the vetting committee and National Council. So far, nothing has come before me, and I'm not aware of any petition before the Okwes committee. We will leave that, but we are hoping that their conduct will not infringe upon the party's constitution as well as the rules and regulations set out by the party.
I was going to weigh a director of elections at the NPP Amanyuku Evans Nimakon and Yeten and Kanwa. One also saw a bon some so and she see a party no aye a day equa batunum or boss soccer at the tray, you know. Nabusia and Vice President Dr. Yaw Boamah or file the nominations ya and otissimum campaign no or chassis a different crap implementemo. Na enra or the knee etre a Ayawaso East. Ayawaso East abatuo empesua so e won krapomplemantemo ekoi ednani so ade hunu ekokoto eye NPP delegates nanim esere wunum se brani dru honom a wo mo emfatumi ema no oto aso ednani ekire la dade kutupon la dade kutupon hososo no Vice President Dr. Yaw Boamah eko honum enra emro file the nominations no wie no otisimu a enra okọ constituencies be mi no ewo enkrapomplementem no a na eye tu ahene ene esi ahene for ena na ordinance ekwa akwakoto wo manim na Vice President nominations ya wa file ena nipa pinu a ekasa edefa ho Managing Director oda STC ano Nana Akumia Echrese Sodom for ya dum ema Vice President Dr. Yaw Boamah ebe flag bearer edema eye NPP amanyuku no a sa adie bia nipa binom aka ede ato Ghana fo tirim se NPP akamfo party no nyame be ya dum ama sa ade no etimi efri ho no mo ama mansa nyina hunu se NPP no wo muji obi a gitietia gitintin Jekrokowa, Jekesie, Jeatiatia, Jubia, we, and an Akumia, where ye Managing Director at that STC ano, Ninsama, what they atuga. Abuzia, said the Medica, the editor, Manimono, a year now watching Munipa or Dikain, a coffile, the nominations, a year, can a software, not so may ye feeding yuma, and a jedi, a once and some, Yera Alan, Kujo. Chematin. Na yera Alan Kojo Chematin, the nominations na wako ekoko file no eye na no brother Tuesday no within some etun some chefo nim eye ne se wono na mamwo se nyankopon na dom na obedi MPP amanyuku anim na Ghana for the 2 me manwa na mamwo say na obesi aye no.
It doesn't make sense for you to apply the same exchange rate at which imports and the duty on imports are calculated. That means that just as soon as you find that the exchange rate is going down or high, those who import, and which includes not only traders but also manufacturers, it means that they also have to bear the brunt of the depreciating exchange rate. But if for purposes of imports you can fix a lower exchange rate, then in actual fact you are making imports cheaper. Not necessarily to destabilize trading, but the traders will tell you that of course if imports are cheaper, they are more inclined to pay their duty and also more inclined to pass it on to the general public. Government, number 4, government will intervene to target directly key supply cost drivers of inflation, especially food prices. Those of you who know how we calculate inflation in this country. It's a basket of goods particularly dominated by food, which really is the key determinant.
I was going to wear a cane so for no show may and feeding yuma and a jedie so yera Alan Kojo Trematin Alan Cash and a yetin and cano now watchy qua what an enkrata coma NPP amanyuku and penning for Nipa 11 and a fan krata ewo NPP amanyuku nim Nipa 11 and a fan krata ewo NPP amanyuku nimwa na omope se etua hene ene esia hene for editumi ebema wunum na busua mamemo bosso eye timetable no we de ne yatete e free omo various camp ye ko hwehwiaye no ne yatete mame emo bosso nchemo kakra nyankopon ya domu a Monday nyankopon ya domu a Monday former agric minister Dr. Owusu Afiye Akoto nyankopon ya domu a Monday former agric minister Dr. Owusu Afiye Akoto obeko NPP headquarters no so wakwa file the nominations obeko NPP headquarters no wakwa file the nominations our party office onum into we eye hwehwia na yatie the efi omu various camps no sene ehho asem sitie Dr. Owusu Afiye Akoto ebeko nyankopon ya domu a eye Monday ye tete se nyankopon ya domu a ne Wednesday next week Wednesday Asin Central Mrasime Jenny, Honorable Kennedy, Kwame, Akompreko, Japan, Honorable Kennedy, Kwame, Akompreko, Ohene, Japan, Nyankopon ya Domwa, ye tete, se, ye Wednesday, Onoso Beko, na wakwako file ni nominations, ewo NPP, wamo atna ye kesye, ewo enkrapumpremantemu, wei, de ye tete, edi free, ye Honorable Kennedy, Kwame Akompreko Ohene Japan ne camp eno no nti wei Honorable Kennedy Kwame Akompreko Japan enra na ne birthday enra na ne birthday wanya mfie adusia miensa 63 years na wanya enra okoko file ne nominations na abusia enra okoya okoko nyankopon ya adom a Wednesday mum ene yeti se Kennedy Japan be kwa file ne nominations no na mieni sa nkomo wi no na ama no na ama your friend say anope ye nkomo a ye die ye ba bedie na watwi mu ena honorable Oseiche Mensabunsu so amemrase bedwani Minister for Parliamentary Affairs osaso majority leader osenkomo bi ase na ne common nyina ye say yes MPP ye the democracy ene twa omumfuruma Ghana ene eniema pia ye hunu awe democracy mu ya batu mu ni ade dodo no a MPP amanyuku no e de ball mu ho safo hene se na mo so ena eba ya ene ye hunu efi eye opaque ballot box no e de ba voters ID card Ghana for your pictures tare so e de ba colored ene sa ne mane nyina no omo kyerese ena mo so ene de ba ntom de democracy de abato de omu nsuru kra but honorable Oseiche Mensabunsu kyerese sa o mabato yo omo kwa akoto e de yi flag bearer e de ama MPP amanyuku no abusia enafom yo yate enafom kra na da enafom no eye wo hwe e de watimi wakame ebeba party no mu wo hwe ya e de wantwi ebeba party no mu wo hwe ya na party no entimi anko ya kono o Ghana fo nani so ama 2024 omo entimi anwini abano we susu a ye kan amanyuko no eye power eno mo pe ye nti political party emfanko don broadcasting what I say ye nti political party emfanko Kenya miasem the only purpose ye nti political party is to win political power that's it niaka chambia no eye enfiafia ho ayana wo mo eye na honorable Oseiche Mensabunsu say adentina yenim se NPP party na esi wono mo no ewura no mu mienu a o mahura di kan kiki pa Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ena Alankodwo Chiramaten na adenti ena party ne mpanimfo a omumu odu ntenase no monka Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ene Alanchiramaten mom no monfo mon 2024 elections no we honorable Oseche Mensa Bunsu ohime me ma wakwaba ohime me ma wakwaba medumno na honorable Oseche Mensa Bunsu sa suggestion we are what they emen or say okọ papa kofo na so ne papa kofo kodi hu nkomo okọ yera kodwompiani Kani chief of staff ede ma papa kofo na so ene ne kodi hu nkomo but omo nyina nsema mo ka che ne say ke nkeye pa party no ye ne yen show bi so nti ye makwan na delegates ne nkoto aba ye nti honorable Oseche Mensa Bunsu.
I thought that the two of them registered strongly on the radar. Dr. Boamah, the Vice President, and Alan Chiramaten, the then Minister for Trade and Industry. So I started some discussions. I went to Mr. Kojo in PNE, who I know to be one of the major or key supporters of Alan. Look, we'll be heading towards 2024. This is my thinking. And then he suggested that, okay, yes, in that case, he suggested that we should have some research done. And he even said that we shouldn't even limit to just one. The two of us agreed that I should speak to the former president, which I did. He thought that we should follow the trend of election and let the delegates decide. So we are where we are now. I think it's still relevant, but how are you going to do it? Now that nominations have opened, people have filed.
I was avoid to where honorable Oseche Mensa Bunsu or say ne harmless a suggestion or they Emma party in penning for and no say and common corners are quite so and ka ebeboapa ebasano yen penning for bidding come yentri Carlos Ahenkra Tema West MP out or Alan Camp one also so ne dia or the boundary obusa say okay says ne beya why ne bear flag bearer na why and aqua and running mate Carlos Ahenkra yentino.
Yeah, the Akoswache. In fact, for the parliament, parliamentarians need to crown the very full. I kind of rooms and give out whom paying food. Ghana, Ama, Omo, Abuana, any tissue free, and I say, party paying for the solution. Lanka, it's really bizarre because I can't be between a certificate and the two of Kodavia. Now, I'm going to go to the phone. CCBD and Ramo, maybe bizarre. Say, evacuating another here, and now, promising and they are SOMPA papa, but you need to me address CC one very president and one higher vice. And you will be a dictator, a factor, what the Sipamini, a Jama, Amo Ding, Ministrading, and you will be because the edition it is in the way we so win. She said, Ubia, Modia, even capable of becoming a president. But the fact of the matter is, so we share in fear with the experiences and the manual. Now, you and according to the vice president. By the way, and a vice president.
I was going to way honorable Carlos Ahenkra so dear ye call Ekokofa ye and no nina honorable Oseche Mensa Bunsu sa suggestion we are what they eba and honorable Carlos Ahenkra or Alan Chiramaten camp ono so ne dia wo de bae no na obribo ahin so Kane Deputy General Secretary Edema NPP or Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia camp ono so busa say asem no aye kanesa na aye kanesa no o se edi kan hwe say party ni mu enkabo mu se bia o se ka afane nyina bom ye ansa na nkomo bi wonu ma yakwa kodi o se sa suggestion we enenanenam asem kwankyen obia no wonu ma watimanya akokudro edi akwakoto e bia National Council kura nima ma bia o ma ye o madwene se o mo ene awranum bi ekwakodi nkomo ase ye kwa ho nkomo ene o mo edididia yenkuti na obribo ahenso so owo Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia camp me ono so edi tuja
sebia sisuya ba so Dr. Mahmoud Baumia ene kojo ala nchemate ya kan o mabom in principle ye na bia ya tiase o fi no ansa na wako bisa se who be the leader ya se ba kwa ba na yakomienu ye nyina ya gitum se me gitum why not because then timi na wokope eti o ma mi owo kura so beton na o da ko gitum ya why not o ko ka Dr. Baumia na ala nchemate mbom na ebeye yeah media support it say timi na yepe abukaro si go na nafefe how do they open go so when we agreed in principle you know ya gakunta na nipa no ye ni so gakunta I don't know what this say ya ho no ani ya na obedi kan na ebeto fitu na o ka first John 1 kotia na o kan sana bon say John 1 kotia I guess we don't no. You need to bring the parties down. Depending on no MPP, I'm more National Executive Committee and the National Council. It is the National Executive Committee and the National Council. I'm going to determine.
Obviously, yeah, background man. So nanka ye koyera kwame owusu a wono so ye campaign manager edema ye yera Kennedy Ohene Japan ne campaign ni bibia yera kwame owusu ne campaign manager edema no so reaction to sa suggestion ne say yenka ye Alan and Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia mum na NCV party no from campaign ni there ebekwa akose party no honorable say chairman sabunsu ne suggestion no na nse ne ebekwa eru akwa ma usu ono no ma me nko ma no so na ye ne Dr. Atiku enkodi nkomo enfree University of Ghana Legon or political science lecturer na yemusa ne say sa suggestion we ya eba no wati bia na ebebo MPP party no doc good morning.
Good morning.
Na Majimedi sa ho ye
Nyina ye tie SOMPA
Doc mpacha ho ye me pacho you afina me te wonka ye pa Doc enkomo ye die eye honorable say chairman sabunsu majority leader ene so am MP suggestion wode ma NPP say to save party no from elections ombeko presidential primaries edidede kasa any ade ebeba no ebeya enka omo empatna Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia ene alanchirematin na nkomo for omo enko 2024 elections no na a save party no dede ene sa na ema no doc ebebo MPP
because multi-party democracy a campaign now on the they don't have the best entry or more ever. So I think a woman of opportunity to campaign or more again no which me a ama party at this level any you only to meet a ama from my money. I think the idea is to say man one of yet entry or more. So I think and I'm you be where the change for a very long time now of the appointed the speaking president meeting Vice President Dr. Baumia. This is the first time now we're making that attempt. So I can see it is important that what do they have for this nation? So I can see and what the party members the opportunity to open the direction now only different of the software. So if you first start over everyone, I like to imagine someone that a man with my opportunity. Vice President Baumia said, "Was here." I remember that we found everyone. It should be or after the door or no other thing. When should a part what year any of mine? These are two different people of time, yes, that they'll be coming together to present one city. So already know who I was retired at that for one issue. So what the castle almost rather a Baumia, if a candidate, I like the running later. I like the although the good direction of the president or one bearer of the party. So why are you asking in Libya to should be the running bit? So I can say, what happened to the other candidates now? Or what if you only say there? I mean, if they tell me these are the only two front lines. They might give Militia, there are three front lines in this content. That's Yaw Boamah, and if one person they should not defend the in the party, especially the grassroots, you don't want to I mean, if you are making African I think they should open it, they should allow all of them to contest. After the contestation, that's a party being born and no, a cat, some things only at the moment, you know. The party is policy here. Or you and the man will always be it's a different thing. I think we should allow all of them. And like the Martina only campaign, still say no. If you are I think any down here, everyone, that one. Then they should go and join and campaign against the other people. So,
okay. Doc.
You want to lead the party or reduce Emma Matthew any of minor, which you allow them to tell us what to let us know what they are capable of doing, what they how to commit, and they always be area of minor. So, if you just analyze on Butiki, what happened to the other candidates now almost ever?
Not just
allow all of them to come, to allow all of them to engage the delegates and present whatever they have for the delegates to be elected. I think, I don't know, I think I think the elite consensus, you know, is part of democracy. I think the elite can come together and now or more active, particularly Libya, that's what is there. But so long as the country is now or more good directed, they want to lead the party, they want to lead to convert as they should allow them to campaign, they should allow the delegates to select their unelected community. There are some people who are there are people who want to be running who are also being to support Dr. Mahmoud Boamah, the vice president. So, what kind of then between that,
Doc Matewase pa minim say this week wani edi global info analytics womo survey bina womo edeba bonte no ho a Doc na enim say University of Ghana mota ye bia mamini ka musa say moye bi na dabe na eba bonte about MPP womo presidential primary see.
Me as a department here, I'm not aware of any survey as far MPP of the primary for in the sense that maybe I'm not ready to. I'm not in part and I'm not ready to any survey of our department. Normally we do that. Normally when we get funding to do I do, but so far the department are not aware of any survey.
Matthias here, Doc. Yo, Doc, o dia me emfa wonsi a bibia ni a ye besa ba wonche bi onyame nhira opa no adaje anopay. Yo, Dr. Atiku na yene no ekokodi enkomo no wo ye political science lecturer ewo University of Ghana ena yene no akwakodi enkomo ni nyina efa NPP ene anopay de yatra se ne yedi NPP ho enkomo efise omonam ne ho apaso omonam ene ho apaso yedi MPP ho nkomo na mamenko KNUST na womo Tescon eku wo honom mranche ne maba waku wonom echese womo edi djuma bi nti anopay wonom aba besra ye ewufia ha mewo opoku kusi Kelvin where Tescon outreach coordinator ewo KNUST and akwachi eji sebe so communications director Tescon na omo chese omo the youth political empowerment program bi ehyehyɛ so yakopon ya domachina okay university yene omo eni enkomo kakra na yehwe omo program no se ni site empanifo mama kwa ba
yaje ozo na Yaw Boamah Libya Borga
na mo hoye
nyame adom na Boamah
politics no ma hyase ntemo ho
oh nyame adom ye de bibia hyase
ntemo ho se ye di nkomo nyina mo de MPP eya omo bomu sem test for no mebo a na no mo koto aba Baba Yara Sports Stadium yesi Tescon album den hwan ye ko Accra yi omo ta bom se mo
party ne djuma na oyi nti bibia nya o se onya nto boas
no mo de ahyem den no say enough from sa
as a mutu no can commitment without inducement into no party adwuma de obi anim say
commitment without the
inducement with huge motivation yeah into no party adwuma de obi anim say sacrifice
okay
to sacrifice no that achieve obi nya so fa so
okay it must start sacrificing in term
yes
okay
yes
okay
yes.
Mu youth political empowerment program no about there
okay na Yaw Boamah Libya Borga yentia etifo na ahwefo mutie SOMPA 93.1 omanya akunya ehwe SOMPA TV ebedi kan ye wa santima mu da yentia ira otufo osetutu ababi otosu mienu mishira nana onkwaso ene anopei ye wa santima mu wi ani asachia the regional governor Chama Bernardin Chibosi akwadodo na friend Chama untumi any organizer Francois any MPP mpanifo nyina ewo Asante region
na mu youth organizer de monche no
oh Dr. Ralph Safo Patrick
mo de doctor so no
oh Ralph
Safo Patrick mo de doctor so no so
Ralph Safo Patrick Ralph oh Debbie omure Ralph Debbie oh Debbie
Ralph Safo Patrick na mo de doctor so no so
Ralph Safo
okay
nana
okay
nana Yaw Boamah Libya Borga ye call youth empowerment program no youth empowerment program ni program bi a Tescon University abase ombebu ama embebu no e Tesco no ayede ate politics na se o te politics na se na enye no nko an obebu ama se ye be ko 2024 elections in Tesco bebu ama embebu no ayede a communicate well ometimi ne ada empanifo na ayede adi nkomo yipa ewo omo embebu constituency ayede omo wo into youth empowerment program no ebe she test comforting na ze omo kwa omo hu de we a omo sini mpanifo ne emmerwane nkokrafo e de edin komo omo wi ama de omo achi omo adwene asi enoma pa na na do danko akufo ado ene MPP adwuma MPP amemoni e de eye na ze ewi a omo boaye na ze 2024 yeni so ade hu na e wo se be break 8 no etia de abaso
shase time be nyankopon ya domachi
nyame adomachi na be shase 10:30 ewo Kenya University campus faculty of law owura Kenya University entrance on ma udu roundabout on ma befa on sa left oko wenim shele bon say o faculty of law e be no auditorium hon at 10:30 a.m. Nyame adomachi
okay
the program ni dey nyom bebe na be say how to write CV, how to give public speeches, how to give interviews into ya package we now one program mu about dana minyo yi kan about communication, how to break the age in 2024 ni na so nyom ma be say ye our campus to help test members about ye ko election 2024 because this election there Rebecca say do or die affair but say the kan election a ebim wedding enim say nyoma enkoyi but enim say nyame we the MPP will still break the 8 inti we are just coming to the people to teach them how to communicate, to teach them how to give public speeches because it do 2024 impenifon ba be 5 year test confonia e campaign it do we want to know how to communicate to the people unse ebu ha men kan the constituency bi an style we communicate at me bu ha o kono honom no ono ni say no pe no pe so like mpenifo no eba abebeki things down to na ye atiase they will know how to communicate to the people when it gets to the 2024 election and yame aduma ye candidate ye be there but even though de ba omi de any candidate bi aba
omo de ba omi omo de Alan omo de Kennedy
obi omo
de Akoto omo de Boache Jako
obi omo no test conf ebe ya say ye be ye adwuma mo
because ni na the parties is at stake
basa ban mo mba to be
You better be.
Okay.
You better be. Inti na parties at inti. We ya nyoma ya kabu ma ebe na nyamwa etina no pa e wo law faculty KSC law faculty
auditorium. Na mpanyinfo be na mato nsa from mo se etina omo Emily di mo na mo nyesa adwumadi.
Okay, nana ya Boamah Libya Borga. Ya to yensa frɛ ya Asante Regional Youth Organizer. Ralph Safo Patrick.
One for Doctor Nazo no.
Any organizer. Dr. Francis Adumako
Francois, okay.
Yes. And MPP with Deputy Communications Director. Yes, ya 2 years after me and saying
okay.
I have 2 years after Nana Chidichi Bonsu. The second vice chairperson for Menchia South.
Okay. Okay,
lawyer.
Okay.
And also a Tescon patron.
Okay.
Yes. On it, Sir John, on my boy Tescon, I'm a Tescon, you say, Ejina Fapim, I was Santi region, Papa. It's baby a movie and you bet your more and now pay.
Okay. And see, Eddie Namudi. Ebeja mo members o mu tie mo anopei e o University e dey na mo de ebeja wo mo
but me da see the beja members ni say nyamwa it's na nopa ina o de even though it's na Sunday yen try say ina because sorry for the fair service no at least because sorry fair service there by 10:30 the night wapon one no na ye pon so ya yen bra law faculty auditorium na yen ma program no enye enije yen ma program no enye successful na impeni for no mobile ni na they have an impact on us na yembwa to help break the age in 2024 na see the star nyoma ekwe say MPP ye mukina breaking the age no be very difficult for us in TSA test for other institutions some work Ashanti region more KSTU for any other test institutions now omombra na
yes mo invited moada
yes
for more other institutions and so mo join them okay
because program no there any about test KST for nkwana ekwakweka
okay
others for no so so the nkwakweka campaign dia boa MPP so we have actually invited omuna so mba no boy na
okay
breaking the age no there possible in him say nyame aduma breaking the age 2024 they will break the age
breaking the age in here
yeah breaking the age there very necessary
and then o dey so
okay nana ya Boamah Libya Borga yenda test conference a omomaye ko Kumawu yes Kumawu by election all those say Kumawu MPP 4 seats but by election it wasn't easy test for from various institutions you know a massive campaign ama Yura NST awenim ama ni diabana fala
okay
yes
inti mumba to aso
akwase enough okay asenof ya to aso yedru asenof seat yebeje
enye better say Kumawu
ebe down ball crack Kumawu dey no crack ebe down ball
ye chairman untumi a wako pm asin not ebo edwuma gidigidi ma party ni dey ye need say oni na bi ombe come sa album ama asin not seat no ye winning the back
okay
and I jeff and NDC for insane
mate opoku kusi Kelvin ene ye kwache eje isebe edamase china so ye ba betete ho na ya hwese na ebesi akọ na prempe
ma test for no advice kaka me peke be from NDC for communication directorate Abbas Nuruddin or ye adwuma pa
okay
what targeted the 10 no and the infuse the 10 into the communication sector of the NDC
into not just wafa 10 members no
yes
and odi omura
okay NDC communication mutuja na say of late obo say otu sa friend NDC panel bia wa hwe unya kokrafo no te say alaji your friend say amo first vice no farmer first vice
yes
amo no kokrafo no mo kasa no anko walas no me ade mo so unwo mo amo the youth no
amo the branch any room
amo e train no mo push omo
yes
enti na ka menu mo kasa na me expect say nka be invite Dennis Kwakwa
okay mo invite no
invite no
okay
me as me say me frɛ Kwakwa
okay
one Francois Ralph omo in charge of the team no Tescon
no you too
so mo money course ad no
yes
gradually no your party is will be a position now the ref the communication part of the party.
Sure.
The test convoy and the bit may issue more power and not yet or more casano. Who manage the philosophy
of the party, yes.
Not Janice one qua. You also be obey for the party. And to be free, say, I was the organizing team, no?
Sure.
Especially the communication, the organizing organ of the party, no? More money core test conform.
Okay.
Almost was a commitment without inducement.
But
motivation there's a little motivation with
huge motivation, yes.
The motivation now, it's
true.
And to be free, say, I did was my because party is actually almost.
Sure.
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 Was a partner.
Martinana.
Yeah,
Martinana, Nana Prempe, and not yet in Cano. Or him, Ubetu Union Kumane for Kakrana.
Mammy can't show a tea for never for
you.
Nah. And can't show myself my idea, even for that initiative. So, my team, sorry, say, you may be bisa mobile. Na omonso edi aboa omunuanoma kana omotimi agrumio our politics mo na eto so biem say omobetimi face the real world the corporate world so omobe we school ne de ka ho nyina no omobe pia babonte akokodure bi benya edi akọ interviews ne obe twa CV ne de ka ho na ya nye easy and he say motimi take that initiative no Nyaminshamu. Now I believe so more very good prospects in the future. Because said you must see because I can see say we grab your first time on my TV in the radio.
And I'm about
first time. But whatever the case is, at your age I think you are doing very well. And Manti says it's me do more share your communication team just started grooming your man.
Yes, SOMPA.
Make me too more for back be very important. I'm only gonna make a test score, right?
Okay.
Politics interest you.
Yes.
We have catch us a politics interest. They will try and
we are the interest in them.
Sometimes I know we young say easy something for no. Ebe pre or like influence mo. And now do we when we here? Ebe you say part na nya ba akofo de anya ba akofo na ne nanane abrewa. You be adia. What you say? Odwumaden abe your party mo no. E na kire obobere nso party no. Enti obi ehunahuna mama momfa ma adwene ebi a test conform no omo hwe yesese bebre wo hono ma omoto abane bi I am telling you se munim owu a monhwe na momusa munua no ma edi kan abe test con executives monfre omu ofie na mon kan jo se MPP odi MPP achi
o hemme o hemme
ayomu se adwuma kura anase national service whatever se omu pebia omunya ansa na obi beka cho se kodi asomasi ana obenchi achia wakwa kodi achiri ti media advice am use your brain na mo hu se mu wie school more to life in politics than chenchina kodi we achi
okay
any slogans slogan ya dia politics
oh me that's jale da maswati da masi all the best nyame enkam ho na monkoye adwuma no emma party no
Ye betu mi biara Ye fambuwa ye mankana
Abzafo we ye mrante ne anuanom nkuma no a ye ma no a omo wo Ken West ye omo wo MPP ne NDC wo circle no NDC dey 10 na NPP dey MPP dey Tescon na wo mo atenesa e wo schools no nto mo kache wo mo young so hu no mo ede omo basa abusia yenkenka mo messages ne kakra na afi mema mabejafo akwaba ene yebusa se hwan ene lead MPP party no to 2024 na omako break 8 no so honorable say chairman sabonso suggestion we awode eba no eno na party ne mfa nko ana se democracy dey atwa omu fruma na MPP omo enkoto omo ba Abdulaziz or say good morning SOMPA na osreyense ye WhatsApp platform no odine number to so yen ade no buffalo mu be yes adwuma na dia ma o Asare George ya o eye sebe o say o hye yen free agrek abraso na Mr. Sare eye construction hono mo a na owo na o plead with delegates ni nyina say omu votu Emma Vice President Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia Simba Madridista or say Oshayen Ifri Eye Mokola and crying Pumprimantemo Bright Abeye or say both are fated meaning Sebia Alan and Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia Sam Nana wo Canada and Felix Opon Bampenase Nana Pon and no or say Ghana next president Obelidi or Mainwelidi MPP party no Honorable Kennedy or Hene Japan Robert Ewusi one day what the drums emojis be and ababe to swa Felix Opon asaso ababio or say Honorable Kennedy or Hene Japan and na oye genuinely or do o minor na ope o my Ghana yenti delegates no and kaino Adam Halidu or say good morning boss me show a free kata or say he show no e the free kata Halidu inti Adam Halidu ene esremu mososo kata hono monhwem husu yi mayewate monhwem husu yi obi ma so tena ena fom kra ena David McGregory or say breaking the 8 without poverty we are ewo mayimu ana we David so dia obusa piaga or say Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia and they are the best to lead MPP to break the 8 years cycle no or dino Isaac Edu or say or inside a bekwai Koniyao no ono de or said delegates in say omontuaba and former Honorable Kennedy or Hene Japan Michael Brefo or say or live free Texas United States of America Michael yesremwati monhwe mu husu yi obi ma so tena ena from kra Michael Brefo shayen live free Texas United States of America eho no susubutu a ohwe mu messages kakra mo dia fa Facebook and ya kenkan de amamono straight away mame ema empanimfo akwaba anopai omo amini omu sinkonya yedika aka kire mo se ene yeye Alan Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia and a Kennedy or Hene Japan masa mumpeu sandi pa miensen ena NPP agrono mo kwa kodie no ejina wo mo so Alan Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia and a Kennedy or Hene Japan wom se binomo keka wache jakon akopre Dr. Uso free akotonom ne adeade but ena hwan
atopa akoto top so
Debi misro ende minima kupre minim ya wokano minima kupre minim ya wokano eti anope ya adwen se omo start a omo file omo nominations no ye be ni ye fa sa 3 leading candidates no ye call omo camp na ya fa omo ni ahwe ni omo de bread party no ni omo de bread delegates no ni omo fi say omo catcher delegates na also delegates na to me Emma Wunum Nana Prempe a key member of Yera Alan Kojo Chematin the campaign and in the campaign team nina we key member wum wa journey anopay me mana kwaba na yedin komo ohime ayan more esoso a key member Honorable Kennedy ohene Japan the campaign and in the campaign team no wa form no ohime Demotinti my pa and anopai yehwe ni mu se Sedu Rashid Inunsa patron Bawumia fan club or patron Bawumia fan club ono so ebe join ye onyamai nti anopai mamema ohimi akwaba ohimi mamisa mu akwaba biu ohoye
adoma hwe ye ni experience
ye de rade ase ana prempe ma chen ohoye
meju so bro e wo go so shame atamfo na ebre
ye de rade ase ede radiasi be radia do me hoye o che de mba beje baako mate efe pa
ya star ni bi no mawia no
one star
Ken 22
okay ma say Ken susu obi Ken susu obi Ken susu obi
it's more than 2 years.
You say no my no.
Sir, omu mo de no.
Me hu ma na me.
Sana,
it's more than 2 years. Be a year I was the first person to present be my
design way.
John Ajekun Kofo.
Okay.
Okay. On him Yeni aketua no. Mo me no say the papa.
Yes, shall grow na say. Me pese starting common no edify ha say. Honorable Kennedy, honorable Osechi Mensah-Bonsu. This week, and started our conversation with. And him say I no phone. Party ntimi nka kese say ebeya party no to save MPP party no from the day campaign amobeye we betia we na so we be di we atem we be ka bibia kire we ama ebufu aba no ebeya nkomu twa so na nkomu nka alanche matin ene Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia mum inform nko 2024 elections no omform enko ahanti Buffalo and de Kennedy Japan omoche no ato no Buffalo hwehwe Alan de no ne omo nyina so de ne fato so ba me ejoye Ken de a womo ya oheme eko ohema sha se mfamfiri ho no mo this suggestion we are honorable Osechi Mensah-Bonsu edeba se nke bebo party no enka de bebrebe campaign amo beye kikiri ni ade democrat no enke be save mu musika ene mo energy ne mo adaje na enka mo de adwene okese no ho 2024 elections no oheme
Libya Borga mecha wati for no ahwefo bi na menua na prempen so honorable no mecha no me ne na na okay me James
any atitim
David
okay still out so okay so bant man say
yes mecha baby na me di assemblyman
Abrepom Patase okay
e wo fa tafwa suja nom ne patase
so we a delegate.
No, me delegate.
Okay.
But there's something called regional contest.
Okay.
Yeah.
Regional youth organizer. Yes. When a Ralph money.
Yeah. And then Dr. Ralph.
Yeah. What was it, Dr. Ralph? Ralph would say, "What no pay."
Libya Borga. Omo mu chire Ghana constitution no. No mu nim de pa, no mu ye nim de fo. Enti omo ye ne se abribia no I was see hold elections after every 4 years.
Yes.
Said the Bayer Bema Aquina, Ama in the Pafu Abem, no one so the Adrian for Fraba. The same thing, and about MPP, your mam Raya, they a ball party in Hobrana, a constitution I use, no.
Yeah.
Now, and no, and as I say regulations, no.
Yeah.
And no, say, Abribiano say, Sabe, or Mampenia Cunya Nebeta. And I said, you see, no be free swap, Nemreba Swan. I was say, Yen, she say, na party no kushia. Na yetimi to aba eyi okendini a obedi party nanim eno nti na efi era edubu ahemre so a wone president Kufuor nom ene Dr. Selby nom prayer na eba 1996 Dr. Kufuor president Kufuor ene era JH Mensah nom so be prayer sa de ba mu abesi era na Kufuor do emre iso so I mu 2000 yetimi be win elections na enen so adru yewura na Kufuor do so na ohwa so a ye ba parliamentary aspect no so a eno so abibia na ye ma akunya e ma omanfo nso kokopre bi nyesa na tie
yes
e bia nko ne bia ma nke yewura Che Mensah-Bonsu nko ama me ye MP so nim za ana nyesa na tie
mama tie ase
me kai book bi e wo book be a friend of Vicar of the Wakefield. A titi book somewhere 1804 baby. And then the panetray. I still have it.
Okay.
I see books will never teach the world.
Books will never teach the world.
Now, what should I say? We are say ABC around, ABC is sphere, and the account.
Yes, yeah.
As am I SOMPA.
I am a Pansenka or Penibitisa or party. Now shall I chair parliament with that experience. Now obetimi aba out. Now obabe kasa asem no. Nka my expectation here Che Mensah-Bonsu looking at the name dia wenya over the years our parliament mu about two mu MPP die mu na international elections in ano. Nka Che Mensah-Bonsu ebe take a queue obe fansu yehunu bi every UK nom America nom ne de ka ho a omo de democracy e ba ya yensu yesua na ye de abeta yourselves e wo Ghana no nanka opanyinsa no nanka watena nchen din nanka obi oba be pre akonya ne bia no nanka de o monitor meboa nanka wo fi nanka aba na so go hwe parliament a Che Mensah-Bonsu ni ho a yewura Canada Japan ene friend said Katie Amon
yeah
Omuko the same year.
Katie Amone, Chairman Sabons, okay. Okay.
And Sana Kennedy Japan.
And Sana Kennedy.
To parliament to cry, you come more experience by Katie Amon.
Chairman Sabons,
you're a Kennedy Japan. And I think when it comes to the Dame Passy and Kujina, the enemy, near negotiations with parliament, you're a Kennedy Kahumi. You're a Katie Amon Kahumi, you're a Chairman Sabons, who Kahumi. What I say? I think while your pennies are now the Ancas, who could be more better nephew. Here, Babe pre flag bearer position on Uncartifi. That will be about Edna no December bed.
As to so, but could be only still lies.
Yes, was what media. Adding,
David. Masati another conversation do baby.
And obey one. Adding on Guana Sabin Perdiasa. Oh, Mano Sabin in Dio Ghana. Adding. Onyana Brantian on Sumrem from Jamum. Oh, Pius no munye baby was swami. I don't know sir.
Pius ne constituency secretary no.
We are rising from polling station executives and the Abba. Deputy secretary. Abba be
no, they are the secretary.
Yes. Very hard.
Pius,
yes.
Okay.
Emrantie we nyina wo nimbie we nyina o ma brew party nim free o mo ahyase nyina dada
Sampan so ba
ye mo chance Sampan another fantastic man
so ba MC Maxwell so basana
another fantastic man Sampan so what you say na
Maxwell do onye fantastic man.
Maxwell the media many nyana na wa assembly but obedi MC to be frank me I'll tell you I'll be blunt Maxwell human relations near you know I don't see say
oni hanwa
so na boni di no
mate to aswe to awasem so
I don't think say
to awasem
so the chairman say nko
to awasem so
na kura nsumesu
to awasem so
it is said the American ke chairman say bonsu ko betina fi nanka obi aba na ode na asema betu nanim said ye kweyuru akofo ho na ye de yasem ko to nanim na wa mo obi advice say be hia say party na be nya nka bomu ntiti mu nim okoye mu campaign obi anfa nsem say ni say na eko na ye nya yewura chairman sabons no betena se na wo SOMPA nse be biam tie na not no timi be ka say ye mfa seremni nko because MPP ye mfa Muslim nko da sa ntiti mu politics na efri hin na e ba MPP mu.
Oh, so we want ka ceremony asem o say yanka Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia ene
meba osiamfa Alan Chematin e meba ansa say okoto se nkofo mienu ko a ebusa se de na asi ebusa se na anu de na asi because free baby na eba mekwa entinsem na wabobo so na ne na de abeduru sa yan respond no na de abeduru sa odi kan betena some of kan se yemfa Muslim ene nkonkodi ene mu na minim ye logical reasoning say owo adekesia sabio o de bo akwaji adeketo na MPP for me Nasara wing of the MPP no ye for me Nasara said ye be ya ye de betwe votes na wo zongos no because ne won say slim for votes ne northern friend what do you call it zongo votes no na NDC for na eden we ne enye sanete na MPP yes ye de Nasara eba na Nasara no etimi aboya me akotwetwe north anase zongo for no votes no be de Nasara ba nyina still MPP da so lusu enye sanete me pesa wo ka kire me yeko kumawu nansen ye raba omianye zongo ho no koy ede ne sie right ye ra chairman sabunsu
SOMPA FM
ye mpeja ye nkobo no fe yase ye man nkobo no fe yase utia unim sa Ashanti region and the man more votes at the MPP ye was central region and swing region and also more votes than ye raba omia ho in any case unim so okosrema omo mu do so pa no nye Muslim esum na do so and the make secret we acho e Anglican
okonofa
yes and yet Muslims
and a do so
yes
see the 5 ananya 5 northern region 5 northern regions
yes no? Anglican some na do so and yet Muslims some
okay
what the opa me wia go and do your checks
sir
eto so bi
nanka minim say Catholics no
Catholics sorry
Catholics yes,
sorry
yes. Catholics
Catholics
yes
Catholics in the doors. Yes. What I say me John answer grade atomeso. And so what na hanum say me nyina akọ so.
Me infanto so me support me o kan.
We anto abonten. Ekọ animu no. Yewura Dr. Baumia. I was here mfa nemre. Sabi. Yewura Dr. Baumia ofri dom kuma mu. E wo sirem ho. So wonim sa. Ana omu kire say yemfa oni Mahama ne nkosia. Mahama nso ye gonja ni. Gonja ye kingdom, gonja free do edom kase mu. Ana esiremfo me ka asema kire. Se wo freedom kuma mu a esiremfo mpene da se obi o freedom kuma mu e ba be du omu so. You know this. Esiremfo okroma obi a wotie me bia ni masema meke. Siremni bia no obepene amani nua a wodom kuma mu edi ni so da. And that has been the trend. Eto subiem. Say wo ka kire yen say yen konkofa Muslim. Ni emfa ni medi so a. If you say on the betimi atwe esiremfo vote. On the betimi ama Christofo ene Muslimfo enya nkabo mu ne de ka wa. Anyem bia what is say Christofo ene Muslimifo ye ko organa na.
Chairman Sabunso asem o kan ye na wo ka ho asemi ya na se ase wo ko be.
Se wo ko to se enkofo mienu ko a. Usase na anu de ne siye. Me kanti na me cho se o kan ye na ya nka ho asem ne na na amena timi anya kokodu asa kasa ansem. Me wi a me de asiso. Eno ne me last day. What you say? Eno nti me busa se e Christofo ene Siremfo. Ana se e Christofo ne Muslimfo. Ntokwa da yentem o Ghana na. Ntokwa asida e wa yentem o Ghana. Me be se o ma tiefo hu se
o David
ebin sida me da se eto so biem ye rache men sabonso asema wo ka no o say Dr. Baumia or appeal to be a Christians ne de ka me pa cho me ba and also ko Christopher for them that is sa no insinuate Yewura Aliu Mahama ano ye president kufo ne vice. I am telling you, Aliu Mahama, nye Dr. Baumia the first Muslim vice president or kwa sorry them ko kasa. And also near Christopher kwa sorry them. Aliu Mahama no kwa sorry them.
The late Alhaji Aliu Mahama.
Google says here, and I was some of the tuso. Munko for no engine room, mo fan to say Aliu Mahama no come Mozambique Disco Christian Church or come Methodist Church, no ko kasa. Yes. It's not the first time.
Sure.
So why from this political dishonesty? Aden ene ye di ensem bi ba be di nkofo dem e wo party ye timi ama NDC fo aka kire yen say MPP ya kan party ne yetimi atena ho eji o masem na tum say because say MPP e ya kan party o mo say ya kan party because akanfo na do so ntino ye nkonkoto ma esrimni now fine ene wati bi da na say speaker kra akwa bi say election na be yemfa Baumia ne Mahama meboa
o say 2024 elections will be two nordness and LED
e Baumia ne
Mahama ne Baumia
me ba cho won say kotoko ne house of folk bobo na house of folk coach and select players e de makotoko team da onim de ndia say ebesi sa na just say house of folk coach no or per players are o mo fu okotokom o timi atwa fo mu so and the speaker wa way enkofo na pre ayinu wa MPP ni munyina the first three leading candidates and or the be pair therefore.
Okay.
Now me ma yewura chairman sabonso asema wo kana.
Na wo de wie no.
Me sia fempa wa asema chairman sabonso aka. Campaign ayeye. National security a convey o maye two surveys. National security. I don't know muntimi fa ma bonten. Before say yewura Kennedy beba. No more the MPP candidates o nyina compare John Mahama na John Mahama bi tu omu. Canada Japan baye ansana omu ye surveyor na yetimi BTNDC.
Nti Kennedy a race ni mo.
Me say obi no kan asama you hold it in confidence. Kaisa kan boni panyini din.
Mate.
Tina ma bon national script no. So omu pa omu kan chem sa asama make am meboa. Eto so biem. O pa tira me say. Oba esrem ani esrem a John Mahama esrem ni Yewura Dr. Baumia so be esrem ni meboa. Now esrem obi anim so we den votes na ndisi be win ni. We den Mahama na be win esrem votes. Adentina yemfa obi ofri south. A ye ne votes no doso. Enko kan nanim. Na ye ko ne yetimi boy ye homoden. Ne enya southern votes ni nyina. Na odi omu fasrem nko ana still ayen win ni. Ma me nya statistics. You call 20 20 elections. MPP nya a little over 1.7 million. Ashanti region. And yes, sir, a little over 1.7 something. Any now 1.7 no. You Kufu Adukrum. Eastern region. Nya a little over 700,000. And this is a little over 300,000. Okay, say enka ye ho e Eastern region. And anka ye timi a year adwuma more e Eastern region. Ye nya be 800 and 900,000. And then this nya be 100,000 per. And no ye this ye 900,000 so MPP 1.7 no ye nya no Ashanti region. And ke nam almost be 3 million votes. Ye to aban ye wi ye nya sen. Ni ye dodo sen. Sen ye BTNDC. Enti yemfa adekese enkwaje ketwa.
Okay. That's it.
Kennedy Japan timi aba be jara ade anim aba be lead. Why your campaign 7 years ni. Yaw Boamah ye ba ben ma no sha so your campaign.
Mate.
The same thing applies to Yaw Alan no mo makeka.
Mate.
Adentina Kennedy edi 1 year per aba be ye election. Wa be campaign. Aba be ye first top 3. National Security Survey just on the dasro. Na ni nyina chi Yaw chairman sabo su timi betina TV etina emfoni su kasa emfoni su timi kase. Yemfa ade no ema Yaw Alan ene ye friend se wan ya.
Mate. I was for the day or him a more were a key member war Yaw Kennedy or hine a Japan the campaign team in the moon. I would demontinti my pa and all chese one honorable say chairman sabunsi ya gina enye mamema sedu akwa bansa na mako na prempe ho sedu mama akwa ma chen
senior meji woso
na ho ye
yankoponado
ye de radias
na woso
radiadom me so me ho ye pa
ha efe papa
ye da se
na da bia mu franco fo no mu frame nka ho
ye franco fo ne franco and then drew so na bre ansa na ye nya okra nya sem ketwa ai numbers no we di kwa ha
in fact everyone kwa odi minua penny SNME we na me di to platform no so no. I think I had calls well over 100. Yes.
Oh, moka SOMPA ho asem de kire. Okay.
Nti ye ka say a lot will hook in.
Sure.
To listen to this particular program.
Sure.
Nti na ebemu ka say SOMPA de ohonomu omuko echire pa. Nti at least when we come we have to give you the honor and then comport.
Sure.
On for the sake of the new patriotic party.
Sure.
Nti Medase.
Mr. Medase. Meba ho na yedi nkomo. Na menko James Nana Prempe ho. Wono so a key member Yaw Alan Kudwo Chamaten ne campaign ene ne dwumedi ahodoa odiemu. Yaw say chairman sabunsu suggestion ya wode abai se ebeya yenka Alan. Senka we de nka mudiemu a James Nana Prempe. Senka we de nka mudiemu a ana yenka Alan and Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Boamah mum no mum formo enko 2024 na save party no e be a disaster be free campaign ne ade na abanum
well me da say dey kan yem fa shira kese enko santi kofi Europe so say to abibi ya chiana no ye shira no pay na makunadu
na sante him yes
no so ye shira no pay trankunyani nyina the Asante Traditional Council and the Kumasi Traditional Council no the shira ya informo nyina amanyoku MPP mpanyfo nyina free the president so ebesi Kumaso omno so no ye shira obia na maybe emira da chahine makojo the drew no so yinim ne fretete tamason kojo chematen Dr. Ataya chematen ba obo kojo chematen no abo culture center asoso asante disi konkono yesira no pay
ne flyer na production team na dia to so no yinim ne fretete Buffalo me producer or Buffalo
na mze mini o heme de wa faade ni nyina bom and waka ni nyina mefo kwase on yewra chimesa bonso asam no kwa iwi a kire no de e ba so ne aba so
nyina tie sompa
abrofo mo na mako school mo ka say mo say he who preach akuchi must go with a clean hands.
Yes.
Patronyas na mo ka
yes.
Da ben na chemesa hu sa afredi ye enkabon bi ebe. You see, and pain se pain intina fi ma asefua enfo. Ana ye hyesu fanso. Onye ho aboa kokoni enko tifi ko hunsu na oba na afo abeka se den ensu ya huni. Se ye wura chemesa bonsu. Se no onim se hyehyɛ bi sei eba ne be ya senk wash as and kwa meka say it will be a suicidal to go with 2024 election with Anakan.
SOMPA FM.
A very big mistake. A person of the caliber a year party in the mono. And Yeshikra, we are the leader of the majority caucus in parliament. A very keen person in MPP. Sebi chairman Sabosu die make us in 1982 or more former party no account. Inti Sebi and Kapanyin kan kasasa. Inti wudi kan ko se sufa. Na chi hu se e sufa na ase na muade a afede o bedane no. Boamah.
Ana.
You say Alan Chamati almost on the UN peacekeeping Secretary General MPP mo.
On the UN peacekeeping Secretary General MPP mo.
Said the party equally, and in some way was it's very hard. Don't you know? Once a
more action, less talk.
And you know, once what declared intention was say one day one year no action talk only. Neto. Yeah. More action, less talk.
Okay.
But what does
Matthias
Nina say, and pain say, Casa Bebre and from SOMPA. And the year Rache Mensa Bonsu, Ufiti, Anna Walker, yeah, the mistake MPP and she be higher pa. And they are starting cosy. The tribal sentiment here by Yaman Yosemu. The religious sentiment here debem. See, I see, and can Ninya a favor and chamachempa. That's your person very careful, pa say. Yeah, funny panny yimu. I can say, tribal sentiment, then my politism. Na sabi. Said the menu of Hemeka and in Peja, you croak of one of a yaze. Yase, and Shamana Tritrium. Bon. And maybe I may say, you're a vice president, a quote him, a question, Yenum Shamful Libby. Our casa almost say, Samoa Mohammed, and for my Quana, quite for the year you see a near giants, baby. No, I'm cast. Oh, me a vice president, read ye, or co below bet. Because oko yene sa na o ma ye mu bi nso no akoka na se de o ka no yenso ko fa sala na azubi ye ra chairman sabonsu president ko 4 time no MPP ni o
ye nyina ye tie SOMPA
ajokai president ko 4 time no MPP ni president ko 4 ne ye ra Alhaji Aliu Muhammad o mo be wie ye ko primaries Alhaji Aliu Muhammad so ko bi Bajwa Ankobi. That and one year vice president. To that and they were chairman about no near people. Then the referees or back catch and now the Danko Kufa say, Yamala Jalu Mahama or your ceremony or your ceremony, Yamanon Konanka, and now the Danko and running meet. And I know their name. Oh, Libya Borga, ye careful with your choir, ye passy ye. Yes, our party anymore. Shall they say gradually? all the regional 16 regional executives now. Your friend was Mupo Mumpo, vice president, young Casalaji Bamu Baumia, our prayer, Fragbero. You see the vice president, Juma, 2 Pompo, so Koibi.
16 regional chairman.
No. There's 16 regional executives, the regional Ninano, 16 regions. No, all the 17 regional executives. Share. Typical example. We took Tracy, and I be two.
It is our Ashanti regional. Maybe our Baswame constituency. Yeah, first one,
constituency. Ashanti regional executives.
They just say 47 constituencies in our Ashanti region. Regional constituency executives. Okay, regional for okay.
Over regional. Francois Umpo. Oka Alaji Mamu Baumia campaign team.
Francois, a regional organizer.
And you know. Ofa Nana Mampuma, Umpo, Oka regional campaign team. Ofa first vice, a champion.
Yeah, it's a champion.
Umpo, Oka campaign team. Ofa second first vice, a second vice.
Mameno.
Umpo, Oka campaign team. You see, that Ben MPP started yes, I near Marie.
I have one yes, I didn't know.
Oh, now my catcher say, yes, say, the vice president. You see, why, say, Opesa will link the government.
Will be na yes no.
Whatever. Whatever. MPP da ben start yes adwi. And we tell me more say example pa no e ya Alhaji Ali Muhammad. No a vice president too. So the time no ye nyankrofo mo be yes anema no. Ye co election Alhaji Ali Muhammad would design what needed as a fourth. You see MPP you say development in freedom. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. You see, and the fundamental of MPP is democracy. Not inducement. And even the address he said here, yes, sure, be so umpo. Yeah. As far as 11 as you saw my picket form. The Mudian who say, Obi Kwasaimana, and wants us some BP about today. Apart from you, vice president.
Like endorse it, nomination forms, no.
But she said, you're a vice president. Yes, Kofu Abag was signed, no, about one day, main sign Bibia, Adichi as a chairman, we are going to sign, was your friend one cry, chief of staff, friend one cry, acquire one, and the better him. But Busa says, Sebi, or didn't want an upon. Need the endorse meanings to a area. What is
anything common?
What is also among 11 candidates? No, how may you mutino? What is it? It Libya Borga, so be afro be say, but sign crammy. Sebi, Alan, dear, pecking Wednesday, yes, Monday, less than 1 week. Sebi, maybe as only Libya Cocra, I want endorsement anymore. Unim. There's your vice president, there's so bit me about Dinina. You see, that tells you the cartel. And Kababi aya former say by hook or crook. Yeah, Farima. But you see, so we should nipa biblia. Don't forget, say the bigger picture of the anymore. And you mean me free say, you write him as a bones. One cast me crank. Share Muscreen is with the negotiation. Chairman's run support for Baumia victory in Kumasi. Bajo every.
And Osia the constituency a delegate, moving from community to community, no more ACI, together with Amasei, former MP for I did Akwetia no Vanna Bibi Akwetia, yes. Movie
Amasei or Ashanti region.
Or Eastern region.
Now the region, young primaries before. Why Ashanti region? And the chairman Sabunsu. As a leader, who could even call constituency negotiation for other constituency, negotiation. Who be was our Becase? Yen near Mobi Mepe will be such a hypocritical person.
Okay, and son obey we know. So can Monty,
you see,
so can Monty
or catch a wine. So who are dressing
so cocoa for or cocoa jumpy and a man seeing
what you care about one thing? I beg just tribal politics. A person like you, a leader, who we are, was my company. Now, somebody said, well, as a president, go for any argument.
Debbie, and going, Debbie,
wo ba bontre ebe ka se ebe declare stand e kokko tribal wo bia o say what to an man de kwochere panyini e di ukọ na ga president Kufuor ga say e di o kan na no ano no apra woni wo stand that what take na say wo dwene say wo ye leader wo representative of the people representative you see if you are chairman say wo nim the position wo jano because as a leader of the majority caucus no don't forget say nipa 137 now or more the various constituencies no they represent the constituencies no and I also represent them as their leader it will be you nim wanim e be nya atwon politics wie na we was abeka say yen kambom ne save the na person save because you have already caused the harm eti Libya media me free say
okay
say the American no
nate
and painful be say bi I deputy former deputy secretary Obri Yaw Boamah
lawyer na Obri Boamah
also am tribal politics hwe die hu pa say and painful be na free so more party ni mu a omo na so omo Boamah ye safeguard the party no going forward no omo na started the tribal politics SPID and unfortunately you're a vice president omo ya man no some more na other candidates no eka so mbe call the tribal way na it will go against him ko se me no he making if you go for esremu okra wo se wo ye esremu ni ntina hwe baby ya position man proceed as against other tribe groups she see hwe Ghana se o conflict bia e dey na ekoso man proceed against Kusase man proceed against Gonjani you see it will go for tribal politics ba na obi so obeye bia you are pushing us to use that tangent but tem bia dia na be sure pan say makase this branch ye hunu ne hufi Libya ye ko we internal politics o de ye bia ya no aka bia no obi obewi ni bia no awase ye nyina de ne ko 2024 e die sama ye ka ne no what say to come back to us see ye may respond to it it is a me betra ne not the chairman sabo Sudan Obri Boamah any painful be back ke tribal no na me keka bia me say nsi ye raba me anko we ni
Mate
how do I defend it
Mate
but what you say
Mate
and the same thing no Allah na as a candidate na so bia we ni asem no mo keka no almost so ma the opposition message to use against us
Mate
today tin here won sir
Abuziani Dinde Nana Prempe was a key member of Yura Alankojo Chematin ne campaign team no ene na akwakodin komo no mamenken kan messages kakra na menko se du honom mo messages amori afa Facebook ene eboboso no Paul Kwache on the copy link no de babetu honom Opon Kofi o se otie yen efri Ranan fish feed company limited pram or say Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia be breaking 8 no ediama NPP MC Yaw Prekon so edibi aba or say ono de osre NPP delegates no say omonto aba ma Dr. Ousu Afriya Kotu the Greek minister na ono na ebeboa the party no akọ animu oyibo boating nebehin or say asenof ehia development dia ene omonto aba Emma Charles Opoku a NPP edene eba teacher constitution we amwase or say if Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia a submit the nomination forms dia and your best delegates nyina so nyina enter na chi osenchia enkoma Dr. Sewa Donko ene honorable Mavis in cancer buadu ose boating ose this ohime guy pa there no working ose okay me man fancy and Abrantepa Nana AJ Johnson ose no can no vote Abrantepa Nana AJ Johnson ose no can no vote Felix Opon eso asa ababio Philippe Champon Kauguchi Electricals Atonsu Station or say amanfo enimu a enra massive crowd no a eka Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ho
ɛma ɔkɔ submit ɛyɛ ne forms no na ɛbura dwene ɛne ntiaseɛ so na kwambia so Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ebewini ɛyɛ primaries no hands down kra wɔsɛ nchia enkoma edweso MP lawyer Dr. John Kuma ɛna ɔkyia no ɛna Felix Opon wɔsɛ Honorable Kennedy Japan ɛne the only person a obetime wini ɛyɛ tumi ɛde ama NPP amanyɔku no wei mo messages a mode ɛfa Facebook ɛne yɛkenkan bi ɛde ma mo no nti so join yɛn on Facebook no so Sompa 93.1 FM Sompa 93.1 FM o sechi a wa share na ososo do comment nom ene o suggestions ato no mo na yeguso edi dwuma no ye bekenkan edi ama Sedu Rashid Enunsa eye patron edi ma Baumia fan club patron edi ma Baumia fan club suggestion honorable Oseche Mensa Bunsu edi ba say adai to save party no from this kikri kasa bebrebe no adenji no mom partner Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia and Alan Chamatin who save the party no from disaster. No more fanko 2024 election. Sedu, sa suggestion we more camp. Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia camp. Muso musei.
Ina mi pacha me dasi. Ma minfa enchia kesi ema
Ohime yes ene Nana Prempe
studio hono any the entire executive of the Ashanti region, any MPP, Ekuma, and senior. Mijidi say, Sir Honorable Oseche Mensa Bunsu, one man is suggesting to the extent say, Onu nka onya, nka MPP, MP, Yora. Alan Kojo Chiramantin and His Dr. Excellency the Vice President of the
Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia.
Na Fanko 2024. Na yankai who say Tisesa nana minua or kasano or see the tenet of the party no ya democracy
yes
na democracy no enchese kabima minkabi enya sanet nti the bain na exercise say obi wo party mu onya just like you and I but na elected as the leader of the party even in the August House of Parliament say omediko nenim na ene oni na adwin say oni right say obeka na adwin na. In any case I don't say this to say ma jia tumu and I say my believe and sama okaya no.
Okay.
But I want to establish the point and say the MPP is the only democratic party in Ghana and everybody knows that. Any other party are just joking. They are just trying to be democrat. Nyoma P HRSA. Na adiba kwa ewa say nyina ye hunu say the party MPP no ti say sana in 20 but my main correct the way me come in. I'm not here to defend near Yora his
Oseche Mensa Bunsu kind. Okay.
I have my personal opinions on that.
Okay.
And I'll express it here.
Okay. So do you have a chin and also mame?
Mate.
Okay.
Nti near Etienne say your party no to say sana in 2021 November Yora Oseche Mensa Bunsu or His Excellency the former president ho and odi asamwe ekoto nenim. And what the former president told him, they say the MPP has always been a democratic party and we have the way of sana yesi ye nyoma esifa nti osranara onyana yankotwaba sanipa 20 kura na baba yankotwaba enu ena efre kabima minkabino nti echire no odikan ko
Kojompie ni mo ho
ena
former chief of staff
ena onu explaining the side of the story emano eka say sanity the ene fakotu Yora John Ajekum Kufuor nenim his excellency former president na omaya advice ena odiko hono the advisor his excellency the former president Edimano no say MPP has always been the democratic party. Ye was sana yesi ye nyoma sifa nti onya na enye nsa.
Okay.
Nkamimu I was expecting say ka obeja no sa at that moment na ya toaso sana yesi ko na ninsam na obeka CCI eya ye ama for p kasati say ebia owo onwa ni personal interest bia odi kasa asam no na o kasa asam no wan kase yemfa yewra Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia na onni kan na yewra
Alan Chermati
Honorable Alan Chermati na onye vice yes no kan
on the can say yem partner omo as to say your bear flag bearer na your bear running mate ni ye wanka okay
so
yes
na mintias say super na ye di super His Excellency the Vice President of the Republic of Ghana papa we honestly enra okasa ya no misu ye pa he has never stood anywhere ankoye politics of division and I say politics of tribalism any sanyo onye bida but yenya kunyo na ya call stations radio stations TV stations and some are ye nyina ye ka ni say or ye tribal policies na I want to ask say nka tribal politics na yewura His Excellency the Vice President eyana considering tribe na onu offer eba nka obetima be Vice President ana that's the question so nti ena yete hey yanyina as MPP party members o de hwe before or on say last 2 weeks and I say last week or UK before obefi hakono or saka ansambia eya o kan debia o shia campaign team na debia sa asam na o kan o see samunya akunya na muko radio station and I said TV station all the candidates now omu fa forms no any omu afi na omu kwa kofa no ni sramu mo obia enko kasa entie omu bia as you say we chino ye hia obia say ye de be 2024
okay
that is what he has always said in fact to the extent say oba be kono or catch and say so unya akunya krampo na enka ensama all the candidates and any of the candidates no on to me anye enkoka ebia na ya twi wenu akosi bone so
okay
say usi say abra unkas and don't even say adia omuntimi enye
okay
so
yeah
and he believes say enkambom and a party here going into 2024 election until getting the opportunity to make it look say onu and a oye travel politician it is not true
okay
and you create the biarada
okay
nemu mami sanka we nka say I see minority tribe has never led any nation and you no create nya yan research and come because Lula da Silva of Brazil of a minority tribe, he is the successful president of Brazil ever.
Okay.
Uko Senegal, Senegal 95% Muslims in the world. Omo president ni Christian.
Okay.
Nti eyedena enne ye Danny Bibia Echo say or free smaller tribe mu and baby or one Mampusi for any other tribes kuntoko any sign you share His Excellency the Vice President of the Republic. He believe in the MPP. Onka anase ye dine chini nyina ye nka sambia ebe ye dent on the MPP party. Ene anase china yenya sa omo fi se omo dwin se ometimi aka nema fi eka Dr. Mahmoud Baumia hunu well posterity is there to judge yenyinara ye bejem amomu omo kasa at the end of the day any of the candidate now be win bia na say ye de ne ko 2024 na yetumi enya tumi no every Ghana for Hona. That is what the MPP needs. If he say, His Excellency the former president say, it is better for you to be in government, for your party to be in government. Now a messenger, than for you to be a chairman in opposition. So, and then also, Maminfa Wesu and Kahose. In fact, mro at the turn out of event ye call ni CCA uba your friend saying your party mo first no na uba northern region how many constituencies were there na MPP kutamo saying CCA ye kasai uba northern region na constituency sense na wo
okay
saying na ekuta MPP
okay
for the first time in the history of the NPP yetumi chair seat na ewo northern region 50-50 no in fact we even have one more we have 15 they have 14 and these have 14
okay
so and I say 16 17 16 some I need to check but we have one more seat than the NDC in the whole of the northern region until so see the effect of Yaw Boamah has not felt in the Zongos, it hasn't been felt in the northern region any the other. I don't see it being the truth. So
okay.
But be that as me media me pai bon say yen nyina ye betia say MPP no yen nyina ye party. Nti yen somusa na yen fan 2020.
Okay. For the records of constituencies now cano in northern region no
right
northern region 18 constituencies
yes
18 constituencies yes. MPP ekuta 9
yeah,
NDC kuta 9
I was talking the northern region the former northern region
okay the entire okay
I won't say
Omachim yes
MPP have more seats
okay Okon of Easter 6 constituencies yes. MPP kuta 4 NDC kuta 2 we are northeast region
Oba Savannah NDC ekuta
Oko Savannah so 7 constituencies NDC kuta 4 NPP kuta 3
ukani nyina abomuna
yeah
we have edge over them one
okay 3
fair enough yan fani say sa and eti
yeah
now I ask a question answer me this some way about me see esa no na northern region no na MPP seat na ye sign so
yeah
and now you can say na seats no between the NDC and MPP no sign now I was just saying to say omo see the effect hasn't been felt but the effect of vice president hasn't been felt in the North Financial Zongo community and they no enu na me no so sanity and then also mineral share on say you were 11 candidates are omukofa forms no 11 candidates na kofa forms say omukwa contest min jin dise obiat na baby attack any of the candidates to say sana yes he attack His Excellency the Vice President of the Republic and when I see the Vice President kachira omo parliament and I say omo government nyina say umpeo kona ko dimechi the Vice President has not coerced anybody. He has not forced anybody.
Okay.
So when say MPs edinichi, omwa mupe ena omodiye. So when say executive be edinichi, omwa mupe na omodiye. Nobody forces any MPP person in this party. Say ye adia wumpe. Obia ntimi enforce obia sa wo MPP mu. Ebi si da ena NC for the rest of the life of this party.
Yeah.
Ntina medi kan say it is the only democratic party ye wo Ghana hanamu. So this is a party where people can freely express themselves. Bebia abrebia. Kona koka wajuni ewo NDC monashe ade omodi beyo. So either say they will suspend you and now say they will even sack you. Sure. We have several examples of them. Alute Jacob Somoni any Kuku and the Human all these people. Nti Misre
Matisedu.
Yeah, wo party to protect, which is the NPP.
Okay.
Let's be mindful of Ensama Yeka Efa party no.
Okay.
And no, and hear me. Solomon Emre no. Emam you no be ekun on a baby. Na ebi mu si yenche baby no mi.
Yes.
Ebi mu say osra nara. Ma yenche baby no. Baby no. Enfan emma ne osi. That is the position of the Vice President of the Republic. Enura Okansambi, it is very profound. Just a second. Okansambi, or say, even at the end of the day, sub-delegate no anyina, naso muyi omwa delegates in the pena, he will be the first person to join the party to go into the 2024.
Okay. Did at the Sedu Rashid Enunsa or ye patron at the ma Yaw Boamah fan club and yetene. Can I say young call info analytics?
Senegal president. Onye Christian or a Muslim.
Senegal president. Okay.
Or a Muslim.
Okay.
Said because the Senegal population
is
dominated by Muslim, by Christian a year president.
Okay.
It's not that.
Mame so men correct what I say. You made a statement and you know correct on Ocha constituencies anymore. 3 northern regions. Then PP was 16. Okabumwa. NDC kuta 15.
Okay.
Yes. MPP Libya Borga. President. No, I heard parliamentary. But the parliamentary ne can't. The parliamentary no they can't. Nti me enye correction no.
Vice President Mahmoud Bawumia one contested constituency bia. Now the focus was to be the vice president and yeah, kind of constituency here. The constituency will be the presidential resource, not the constituency resource.
No, can I
say? President say, vice president. Or no pair. Ira at the Danko Kufuor.
Yes.
And the card Danko Kufuor in the constituency here. A Ghana. The presidential vote.
Yes.
Not the parliamentary vote. So the mini area comparison of the parliamentary say you were 1 seat ahead of them. And say 1 seat ahead of them. Check it the presidential resource between MPP and DC. Now say the influence now say you were vice president making northern regions. Or no any interest partner the presidential one. What was the outcome?
Okay.
But what them can
Mate say bianco anim na yanko info analytics omo survey omo editu dwa na wotwe mu na opani munsa dankwa kire mu se omo survey no e projected Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia say olidi race no with 34.8%. Olidi race no with 34.8%. Alan Chematin ebetosom you know with 27.9%. 27.9%. And Kennedy Ohene Japan etosomiensa with 12.5%. 12.5%. And womu ede echo. Enti yeni sa nkomo we na watwe mu ye de ho nkomo pa. Dabi omo de buy no.
Omo de buy no. Almost saw another phrase of it. Say after win of
a second round now. I fato sumame. A second round. Say no na. Wait na anko second round. Anko second round na.
Getting it wrong. We are the two. A bien no chese we win elections. Because a way as it stands now a second round. Because per the constitution no.
ABC in 2007 you say ya but second round na maso.
That is second round Amaso. Whereby a candidate be free say, oh, maybe I pay no. Why you said the can you need free to watch it till me man uncle. And the Mao Jama no chair say, Sana de be a bit messy. So I know you know Muye we no. But almost I had the possibility say
second round back.
In any case, we master the minister men corporate one. In any case, we
I was starting the corporate one.
Research. So we said being a student. I'm a student. And you know research work be anywhere made diffuse.
Yes.
But when you research say a post na we no. Obia o kwan say you analyze it.
Yes.
Na baby offer say sin to koye no. Wa bobo so. But what they say?
Yeah.
Fine. So we researcher. But my mama typical example. They say me project work. When project work topic I may may security implications on graduate unemployment in Africa. Then man narrow no focus on Ghana. Then on Ghana, no masa meet me for Ghana nyina. No masa narrow no. E di aba Kumasi. If you Kumasi na metina me narrow aba Kumasi no. Meet me some pick Kumasi nyina to me permit me akofa bi abantu mankwa. If you abantu mankwa na masa fa no. The entire Bantuma community and as a Bantuma constituency no. Meet me reach all the graduate unemployment or more. And I meet me reach other stakeholders or more ebe give you the view on the matter. That's why we have the sample size. But what you say? And now we are research BR. That's why depend on the methodology I will use to be misapproach, qualitative, quantitative, whatever.
Quantitative, yes.
So you're quantitative. That's why we have the hypothesis. You do the
it's in obetre ade ana obe lecture ya na obe lecture
research na dey to
yes
so do for research now a sample size
a little over 3,000 the sample size
very good
yes a little over 3,000
may I support it you see and I make us say enji na ade ba ko esa ye wo research mo say the period now dey research
yes
info analysis for you who's on my research Libya that anala ne lady and now so
omo monthly
very good
monthly bia no dynamics ba ko no omo ye na omo ye ba ko bi na ala ne lady omo ye another one be in the middle of a yinemu say male se bibia omo ye na ken eso so beto so mienu it just say
very good
akobisi na kai swinge
the period in between our research no is another factor. What is it?
Yes.
And the parameters, the factors are within us.
At the year research,
the year analysis also another factor.
Okay.
We know our period bang.
We
minimum to crow and I say quarter crow.
Mami,
but you see, my example, mama where you be. Main discredit or more research and some more fundings. But make me a catch you say fundings nibi and they say the period of the year research no who say for the past 2-3 months ago say the second quarter of this year and then on my year so because I'm in 3 months who say
the sample size here 3,570
very good
now oye no 271 constituencies. 271 constituencies.
Because you have 275. You pick 271. And the sample space.
Constituencies are one selected delegates. Gusegu, Savlugu, Tempane, and Ho East.
Okay.
Constituencies are one selected delegates. And Odiabano, Gusegu, Savlugu, Tempane. And Ho East.
Very good. Well, my mama, dear. Once I was this second quarter, you remember your research.
And the questionnaires were administered between 8th June to 14th June.
8th June to 14th June.
Yes.
Not just 1 week.
Yeah, we did. Yes, yes. Just some 6 days ago now. 8th June to 14th June. Or they some questions.
Okay. And once factors even say. Over second quarter, there was a project behind election. How you use to win a war strategy. To be sure, you're a vice president team. No, the second quarter, no, I'm peke say, young out. MPC me pre-make say, oh, MPC support you about me. Yama chairman for Yamako, yes, about me, yes, about me. So, in inference, no, so, oh, you're researcher. MP with some few MPs be I'm free say there and I say no even one kasa the dozen but omo kasa no who pick space a questionnaires the nipa natin no and say oh yati say so based upon no
yes
will inform you what you have to bring it out but what does it
Matthias
so me free say another time me say research we go say and now say fortunate and just about could be a bit because baby quiet they chomo babe pacho and no na mesa 2
University of Ghana Legon na no de name free
anu da make say me too am your fofo na mo say for so tu mo for say
na odi isi no
munya yi bia mo ye double
yan cross check yes double yes
because a whole University of Ghana now ko fa we akota no because of operical interest be e but you see I no buy was a central for almost a buy na mu ye no
there be enka ne sa na prempe no o ti bi osompa ha sei once there be ti wo be generalize na be ne central for there fasi ho no na me ko hime ho o ti say make bi o ti say obi ka bi osompa it why do you generalize it obi error no you address it to the person
central for be you see
iye na obe say mo nsentwe for ya obi anya bibia
mo nsentwe no mo say mo say you educate
we entertain and we inform
so you see me tie
consume na boy
education and information now and yeah some part for nkwan by your listeners and your viewers hwe some part ba ye station be breatie mu the story
yes
edua me kan mo say ba bo am so mo mu tie mu the story so betie particulars from it I don't want to say what it ma say me nyanya mo na me tag mo meaning the kind of people amoa entinya mo ba me can say people will pick it because they are picking always
Mate nana prepare mate
ya je tum de me dey say we know yayama ala lady pen yayama Kenneth a lady pen yes
Kennedy
yayama about me lady pen
yes
so it keep on changing
yes
and the main way about I mean doubt what it means ya pick we ya no share indicators be the fact that you weakness then you correct on it
sure
there me dey say was say but you were on the second round no I know Alan Bailey did the end of monk because we about first one and second one about
second round Buffalo Fatoso second round
yes Boba you see the one what kind of body will be with you when the end of monk
me trust info analytics almost survey o candidate Kennedy etoso 3 with 12.5%.
Libya Borga me service no over the years the way as say ya corrupt nkofo me service ntino
sir
ya na me husane masaya me nyini I'm telling you an honest truth
okay
so when see won nkofo bi o me renowned people mo ye service bebre Mahama na be win Asumesi na be win President Kufuor na another time on say na time I think President Kufuor to ya somewhere around 500 cities na say Kufuor to ya thousands at time no not even that time
be ya
I think say omo year Kufuor dey about 2000 no
they say 20 and 50 cities
I know
Tanzania ina mbebuza ze 92 96 asem 2000 asem 92 na meka 2000 asem na kotia 1000 Ghana dia no
92 no and make can idea no what do you call it
2007
hodie no says can
Legon
na make one 7
na no 2000
I mean says can o convert
okay o converting in net
Ghana Sunday new currency
yes new currency
2007 new currency
yes it is happening ko ne modu o satana na $1 is 1 cedi na
obi en wo ti 500 cedis
don't me
but then says can
but next year for
modu now the total ne ho ane modu yes
o convert as ana now what I'm saying is that about where you to about enema bebre ena ekọ amanfo tima ekomunti emo de to aba maka na wo ye survey nso a enema bebre ne kuma o de ye sa survey no depending on that time crown especially when it comes to elections e bi anipa no ne ethnicity when say ka ho religion ka ho
yes
anipa no say mo performance fortunately for them omomo banyina no obia aba ban mu da obia wa ban mu da meboa anipa feelings as that time no mu economy no eniema omo de begina so omo betimi de ato aba na ewo ho how anipa no nso use omo strategies and approaching go from each side eya na no nso e ka ho ye contributing factor now so we share MPP mo adenti ameka say ya na service ya na menyine no and say enkofo e bon to ani nyina now Kennedy over the years on say na omu campaign o mayi nyina no na Kennedy
SOMPA FM
in fact Kennedy kwa share campaign as no ye wo enkofo bebro mu ba beka say Kennedy enka race no because niema so omu ke kan sem bebre de kan all of a sudden sanko fund the Kennedy aba be share first stream e say yewra chairman sabon sunkwa no ye ne savia or the first 2 years ala ne onye sobi and what one no sorry ya no
onye sobi onye sobi
I say ala ne preposition era or preposition
so bo chairman sabon so no na and or the way to so say this is asema na chairman sabon so e ka say we should pay we mumie no nti bo na sem si
me ka sobi na anything
but for sobi ni to so what buffalo
and me sobi we me hu na me sere right I think say me hear Ashanti region no for baby na me hear am say me ready ade ni bi and na me jaye
nipa oni omudi nkomo Ashanti region
me hwe Ashanti region sobi na omuso omu ye any north de no omu ye na Libya Borga ene ma me minim no e wo Canada Japan kam nya abonte na me ba be kan but then me ka kire on authority me say nya metiasi sasa fu yu atiasi se to aba ni wie na se obi and the winning abandon nya Canada Japan me nya politics bi
hey ohime
put me on record
buffalo ai saka bi chatwo buffalo chatwo
me say se nya metiasi sasa fu yu atiasi na menim die menim se to aba ni wie na nya Canada Japan and the MPP flag bearer me nya politics bi ma ho me self politics
ohime and more
former assemblyman Abrepon Patase
former assemblyman Abrepon Patase 2 times regional youth organizer aspirant to Ashanti region ubeja politics Kennedy Amenia
me say se to aba ni wi na nya kere Japan and nya me din kunimdi na mana
mate
ma ho me self politics
yo observe ohime ni ete ne nka no
na se benwie na ma me 1 minute na
me 1 minute me sraw me ma 1 minute me sraw na time na ka say time na ka say
hold on
just a minute
ade o mre ne so
then me mre ne so na me nko say du so
ye to aba no MPP delegate bi obehwe na sitinem say MPP ba power over the years e bia ye adwuma as polling station executive from 1992 e be si ne send the partner when assistant say MPP ba mu no kofo time dey ka see enhusumo fa nche meboa ene bia ye ntimi anyese but second time dey na sabe mpredua say ya ye bo apayo o hwe na assistant MPP ba benefit me pewe ya menya bi be come MP wa menya bi sabe mpredua say me ho kire me menya moa me benya me ba wie school 6 years na dey kan wonya adwuma hwan eno ebia wo promise me nsem no obeka kire me no e mama rehemu say me delegate I am also part and parcel of about one year to no se nyame boa say nipa no empo sa ban point mi amama dwuma say nipa no betimi aboa me ana
mate
enipa a oboa party no eno nso ye show wonim say obi ahwe contributions towards the party ansa ne akodi obetimi ahwe ade aya ma o man
so we mu nyina so some contributed to the party
emu de yan kan ntem ne enko kan ntem
Baumia Alan Chamatin Baumia Ibo Cheja
no three candidates na make an ntem na time no
mate
what is the delegate bi as onya adwuma ana chairman bi ba so onya adwuma say omo plan bi I just want to me discredit you know me say enipa no na setrem
asma o kan dey asin central unemployment no
mame ko say du ho na before say me no dey be say so what say oh him me nye free won sam
me say hold on please hold on me say delegate no o he na sitinem na dia to
mo
it is obi kwatena ho no ko giska o ba bi no be say my survey sa de man mo fanya sere
nati
I'm telling you
observe for mame for announcement we entwa mu Pastor Samuel Kwati entwi ewo kode na ose ni Toyota Corolla ash color ewo this registration number AW 2660-11 AW 2660-11 00244-11 or say enra ena nipa binum ehwim ka ne de free nsem ewo kodie eye Mori Junction or say all konwa na articulate bi asinanim a block kwan no na okọ osi form say okọ no akọ catch articulator no ene ka kese ne say ontu ka no emfemfi ho no mo osi form okọ ka no ho chese wa oda na ni na chese omo ede ne ka no ekọ na oso obesre say obi bia wo hu ka bisa Toyota Corolla eye Ascala ne registration number eye AW 2660-11 no obesro so for telephone number and answer report to the nearest police station obeda wasepa friend 0246 36 9036 0246 36 9036 we a announcement edition sedu info analytics survey a projected Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia so be winning elections no by a year 34.8%, but a court second round obe lose elections no with 37%. Na Alan a winner with 38%. Mohunu say survey we
medasi minia adiba kwa media media tumu ni say omo ye research no
yeah
omunji ska enfre ni pansem na omo koye omo research obia a oye well known researcher our this country no or yen research with reputation
yeah
nti mintimi en tena bejum say national television say na me can say asimasi ekojisika na say this particular group ekojisika ye research me dey me sade no da
okay
now if you look at research no mo ye na mikra even though me no mu enya adwin but mesumusa do you understand because me dey me say at the end of the day to say na me nua okano say ye koto aba no minim say Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia obewini so one winning more than 60% in the politics in Kanukre
say Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia winning
more than
NPP presidential primaries more than
60% in the politics in Kanukre.
Where to say Kennedy winning Obejai politics
recorded him and I'll put it down.
Okay and I also say Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia winning the upcoming
more than 60% now politics in Kanukre. Minia unim niente na mika sasa check all the aspirants moya enna oni MPP if you boom both in times of difficulties and in times of enjoyment omo contest ni nyina mami kan chiro look they should not push us to tell the story of the MPP
okay
so
yeah
your party are you woman so we see party way enye party eya ade a wo odi hu ebekwa akodore no na so tip sa ku no mu a you don't know what you are doing honestly
okay
His Excellency the Vice President of the Republic and the only person he has never insulted the people of this party, neither the party onye bida onye bi pe nso onye bida
yeah
number 2 Oyo Obia, he has never run away from the effect of anything in this party. The successes of this party also were jitum. The failures of this government, if there are any, were jitum. So, or you're part of the government. On kotina bebia enkase media near party aye adipano. Mudia munfa mame na bebia enya adipano. Ndiye sasa na ekadie ne MPP is telling the Ghanaian say omunhwe omusitinam na tu abapa. Na say MPP has not performed. Yemfa power no ma NDC ana. You understand?
So ka say yenhwe asitinam ntu aba.
No, so kasa na sa wasa sisu say. Ukasa na sa wasisu say. Delegate have finished school and they can't find jobs. They are suffering and they are dinner. Are you saying say delegates no are they not Ghanaians? So me to honor some ye Ghanaian. Me no so to say. So me to honor some ye Ghanaian. Na sa me su my year school. And a man ye juma bianye in the last 7 years. This is an all aludunu. Nasa me shama sitting them eto abapane die. And I will not vote for MPP. Mubwana. This is a basic analysis. Anybody who doesn't even have class 1 certificate can analyze. But may say, Yaura His Excellency the Vice President of the Republic, Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Boamah, or say, party way AAP. Yes, say Ghanaians enfa tuminu ensama MPP ne antwaso. If you say anytime be a MPP be ya de no, say ye jam ema NDC na omo say no.
Okay.
Enti paramei gains a ye sisi yi. Say ya nhwe na ya ntwaso se na esi efata. Na say ye mistake na power no equal do NDC ni. Efi yensa na we will suffer. Ghana would run backwards. Okay. I didn't sue and I am penisano. Okay. But like and some amike we need to respect ourselves as party members when we come to on TV and radio. So if anything at all, I mean when you were talking, I was here writing. I haven't interacted. I have never ever.
Matthias,
if I'm talking and you want right. When I needed to respond, I took pen from my good friend.
Yes. Matthias.
Me the book bast.
Matthias.
Me kasano. Kasano me make a point. Me
Matthias. Debi Mesro.
Na sami ni prempe.
Mesro.
Me say me. U kasano me kasano.
Seru
when I'm talking, allow me to talk.
Matthias.
In any case, who candidate na see MPP a Jimmy for. Say MPP a Jimmy for. Na sa opesa o lead MPP na. Na che say onu see a Jimmy ni bi. If the delegates vote for Obama candidate, MPP for Jimmy for so delegate, if you are a delegate, that's over to Obama can. Near MPP ni delegate for Jimmy. Abutre. I was making analysis. Jimmy for.
Mo microphones in off. Mo microphones in off. Abuzafo. Abu Dhabi ba na all the sports. Abu Dhabi ba na all the sports aba betwaso. Abu Dhabi aba na all the sports eba aba betwaso. Yes. SOMPA. I'm for me enamasi. Nyankopon ya adoma next week ye beto aso e de free he ya Mamena James Nana Prempasi, we key member of Alanchamate campaign team. Ohime Ayamo, a key member of Kennedy Japan campaign team. Sedu Rashid Enunsa, also a patron of Baumia fan club. Osaso eka Buffalo fa camera ne to omoso we ni omo chire Buffalo fa to omoso ko hono na yehu wo mu kono he no omugina ho mo chire ho ni omugina ho mo chire that is the beauty of democracy and politics na homo no abza for the mosi yakopon ya doma next week here to aso Abu Dhabi etnase na or the sports atwaso Abu and then they also hear me action me